Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think and act like humans. These machines can be trained to perform tasks that typically require human-level perception, reasoning, learning, and decision-making abilities. Some examples of AI applications include speech recognition, natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems. Types of artificial intelligence (AI). Number 1. Reactive machines. These AI systems can only react to current situations and don't have the ability to form memories or make decisions based on past experiences. Number 2. Limited memory. These AI systems have the ability to use past experiences to inform present decisions, but they don't have long-term memory. Number 3. Theory of mind. These AI systems have a level of understanding about the thoughts, emotions, and mental states of other individuals. Number 4. Self-aware. These AI systems have a sense of self and consciousness, but this type of AI is still purely theoretical and does not exist yet. Number 5. Narrow AI. Also known as weak AI, this type of AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition or playing chess. Number 6. General AI. Also known as strong AI, this type of AI can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. This type of AI is not yet available and still the subject of much research and development.